sunglasses. You can spot them a mile away. They look geeky, uncomfortable, and distracting. And having a camera stuck to your face, it's kinda creepy. Introducing View, the world's first pair of smart glasses that match your lifestyle and your look. Regular earphones transmit sound through the air, but View's bone conduction speakers transmit it through vibrations. Sent directly to your inner ear, only you can hear it.
Hi, Judy. Let's get today started.
Bone conduction lets you stay aware of your surroundings, even as you enjoy your music. View is built for people who use prescription glasses, sunglasses, and even style frames. At an ultra-light 28 grams, it won't weigh you down. View talks to your phone via Bluetooth. With the app, you can perform a range of different tasks without checking your phone. Like take a call, hands-free.
You have a call from Leslie.
Hey Leslie, what's going on?
Get directions,
In 200 feet, turn left on 10th Street.
or control your music. View is designed for work and play. It has a water-resistant housing and built-in activity tracking.
You ran 6,000 steps today and burned 350 calories. Nice job.
You can set friendly reminders,
Hey Dylan, you've been sitting for a while. Let's take a break.
and it's simple to customize the long press and the double tap.
The time is 3:35 p.m.
Always losing your specs? With Find My Glasses, you can easily locate them anywhere. View has two designs, classic and trendy. With its easy-to-use charging case, View's batteries last up to 1 week. Smart glasses that fit your lifestyle and your look.
Meet TileMate, the small, powerful companion that helps you find your things. Small and light, TileMate is designed to easily hook onto your keys, drop in your purse, or stick on your bike. When your things get lost, TileMate is there to help you find them. Ring TileMate to quickly find your remote control. Or use the Tile app to retrace your steps and see where you left your car on a map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, just press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even on silent. And if your bike goes missing, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified. Then, when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing bike, the Tile app will alert you of its most recent location. TileMate, the simple, easy way to find your things. Get TileMate today and never worry about losing anything again. Tile. Find what matters.